Hi, this is Amelia. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe so we can get together every week. This week, our story is called Animal Riddles, written and illustrated by Emma Huddleston, narrated by Amelia Pan. There are many types of animals, and they're all different from each other. Some animals run fast, while others fly or jump. Some animals eat plants, but others eat meat. There's a lot to learn about animals. How does this book work? A riddle is a word puzzle. Readers can figure out the answer by piecing together the clues in each line of the riddle. This book has 10 riddles. The answer to each one is on the very next page. Riddle 1. I have fur and a tail, but I am not a cat. Sometimes I swing, but I am not found on the playground. I am good at getting to high places, but I am not a rock climber. What am I? I am a monkey. Monkeys are primates, which is a type of animal known for being smart. Apes, lemurs, and humans are primates. Riddle 2. I have scales, but I am not a fish. My body is long and skinny, but I am not a worm. Sometimes I shed, but I am not a dog. What am I? I am a snake. Snakes are reptiles. There are more than 3,000 snake species. Snakes swallow their food whole, and some even eat other snakes. Riddle 3. I have multiple legs, but I am not a centipede. My body is made of 3 parts, but I am not a snowman. I live in a colony, but I am not a bee. I may ruin your picnic, but I am not rain. What am I? I am an ant. Ants are insects. They can carry objects that are 50 times heavier than they are. Riddle 4. I hop, but I am not a bunny. I eat insects, but I am not a spider. I have a mouth, but I can breathe through my skin. What am I? I am a frog. Frogs are amphibians. Amphibians live in warm, wet places. Many of them can swim. Riddle 5. I can fly, but I am not an airplane. I have many feathers, but I am not a pillow. Some people keep me as a pet, but I am not a cat. What am I? I am a bird. Most birds can fly. Birds also lay eggs instead of growing babies inside of their bodies. Birds have lived on Earth for more than 160 million years. Riddle 6. I sometimes live in icy places, but I am not a polar bear. I lay eggs, but I am not a chicken. I am black and white, but I am not a newspaper. What am I? I am a penguin. Penguins are a type of bird, but they cannot fly. They do swim very fast, though. Many penguins live in cold places, such as Antarctica. Their feathers keep them warm. Riddle 7. I have scales, but I am not a lizard. I live in water, but I am not a dolphin. I need oxygen, but I do not breathe the same air as humans. What am I? I am a fish. Some fish live in fresh water while others live in salt water. There are around 32,000 fish species. Riddle 8. I live in small spaces, but I am not an ant. I crawl around, but I am not a caterpillar. I have strong teeth, but I am not a shark. Some people keep me as a pet, but others try to get rid of me. What am I? I am a rat. Rats are rodents. Rodents are a type of animal whose teeth are always growing. Rodents are known for having many babies in short periods of time. Riddle 9. I stand on two legs, but I am not a human. I am good at jumping, but I am not a frog. I carry my babies close to me, but they're not in my arms. I have a powerful tail, but I am not a monkey. What am I? I am a kangaroo. Kangaroos are marsupials. Marsupials carry their babies in pouches on their bodies. Kangaroos can jump 6 feet or 1.8 meters high. Riddle 10. I dig tunnels in the dirt, but I am not a mole. I do not have arms or legs, but I am not a snake. I keep dirt healthy, but I am not a farmer. What am I? I am a worm. Earthworms are one familiar type of worm. They have segmented bodies. That means their bodies have lots of tiny connected parts. Conclusion. Animals move in different ways and eat different types of food. They live in various places all over the world. Many people are fascinated by animals. They want to learn more about these special creatures. The end. All right, this is the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it just as I did. See you next week. Ciao for now.